See how easy it is to create these professional videos without ever needing to film or use expensive equipment? Now look at the actual results. We are talking about 70.1 million views, 72.2 million, and 49.4 million, and 12 million, and this channel too. These are real channels achieving massive global reach using these exact AI strategies. The secret behind these millions is what you see right here: professionalism and consistency. A clean, organized layout that forces the algorithm to push your content to a much wider audience. Success like this is within your reach. In this video, I'll show you how to build these channels from scratch and hit those millions yourself. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in AI. Let's get to work. Let's get straight into the practical work. The first thing we need is this master file I've carefully prepared for you. This isn't just a text document, it's the engine, the master prompt, that will handle all the heavy lifting for you. You'll find the link in the description. Go ahead, download it, and open it up so we can start together, step by step. Once you open the file, you'll see a wide variety of options. I've included over 50 different examples of materials and objects that have been pre-tested to give you the absolute best results for crushing and destruction effects. This list is a goldmine for your future videos, ensuring you never run out of viral ideas. Now, it's time for the selection phase. The rule here is simple. We need to choose the specific object we want to see being crushed under the hydraulic press in our video. Look through the list and pick something that fits your style, or something you know will be visually satisfying for your audience. For this lesson, I've chosen a great example, the chocolate bar. Why? Because the way chocolate cracks and shatters looks incredible when rendered by AI. Let's go ahead, highlight the word chocolate bar, and copy it. The next step is the heart of the process. Go back to your master prompt and paste chocolate bar into the designated bracket. By doing this, we are telling the AI exactly which hero object will be at the center of our next scene. Now that our prompt is fully customized with our chosen material, highlight the entire block of text and copy it. Make sure you select everything to ensure all the technical instructions are sent to the AI correctly. Let's head over to ChatGPT. Open a new chat, and in the message box, paste the prompt we just prepared. Remember, ChatGPT acts as our technical assistant here, translating our idea into precise visual commands. Hit the send button, and now, watch the magic happen. The AI is processing our request, analyzing how chocolate should interact with pressure to give us the most realistic and high-quality output possible. The result is right here, and it's perfectly structured. The system has provided us with two separate options: a specific image prompt for the initial frame, and a video prompt for the animation process. This separation is what guarantees a professional cinematic finish. Now for the most important part to get started, we're going to copy the first prompt, the one for creating the base image. Copy it carefully, because we're taking this text to our image generation engine to create the very first frame of our viral video. Now let's move to the visual creation phase. Head over to the Whisk website and paste the image prompt we just got from ChatGPT. Watch as the system starts processing the data to build our scene based on our precise description. Look at these incredible results from Whisk. We've achieved high-fidelity, cinematic images of a chocolate bar with stunning detail. Pick the most realistic one and download it immediately to serve as our video's foundation. We head back to ChatGPT to grab the final piece of the puzzle, the video prompt. This text is the brain that tells the AI exactly how the chocolate should move and shatter under pressure. Let's copy it carefully. Our next stop is the Flow website. Here, we start by uploading the professional image we just created in Whisk. This image will act as the primary visual reference for Flow to generate the animation. Once the image is uploaded, we fine-tune the video settings to ensure the smoothest motion possible. Review all the options carefully to match your artistic vision. These small details are what separate amateur content from professional work. Now, for the final magic touch. In the description box on Flow, paste the video prompt. This is the command that breathes life into our static image and transforms it into a breathtaking dynamic scene. Hit the start button, and with that, our technical workflow is complete. Just a few moments left to witness the result of this professional process we've built together. And here is the final result. Look at the precision and the realistic way the chocolate shatters. Can you believe this cinematic video took only a few minutes to create? This is the true power of combining these tools. Check out these diverse results. You can now apply these exact steps to any material you can imagine. The possibilities are endless, and you can easily produce hundreds of high-quality videos with this level of speed and ease. As you can see, I've just produced several other high-performing videos using this exact same workflow. Whether it's crushing chocolate or any other material, the logic remains the same. By following these steps, you're not just making a video, you're building a repeatable system for success. If this workflow sparked new ideas for your channel, please hit the like button to support our growth. It really helps the algorithm find more people like you. And if you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our AI and turn on notifications.